is the Kentucky Derby. And so I need to get ready. I'm running a little behind, but tonight I'm going to make my simple syrup for my mint juleps. Now, mint juleps have become a tradition of the Kentucky Derby since the 1800s. I think it was about 1865. And they put the mint julep in this silver julep glass and use bourbon and simple syrup. And the simple syrup is drained over, or is poured over mint and stored overnight. And then it is strained off. And then the simple syrup is put over top of crushed ice, the bourbon over the crushed ice, and it's served with a mint sprig and a straw. So we're going to go through that process and make us a mint julep, an official mint julep, by the way. I only use wild turkey 101 proof, so it will be strong. But what we do, we start off with 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and now we're going to bring that to a boil and cook it for 5 minutes after it boils without stirring it. Do not stir it. By the way, did you notice my derby hat? If you're familiar with the Kentucky Derby, all the ladies wear their beautiful hats on that day, and so I'm set with my hat. Later, I'll be making my Kentucky Derby pie. I'm sure you'll want to learn that recipe because it is delicious. Okay, let's wait for this to boil. Okay, so my sugar water has boiled for 5 minutes. I did not stir it at all. Now what I'm going to do is take it off of the heat using my red cardinal, which is the bird of the state of Kentucky. And I'm going to remove it from the heat and let it cool down. Now once that is cooled, what I'll be doing is taking these mint leaves and I'll be pulling these off, and we're going to be pouring that over the mint leaves, but let it cool down first and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've let my sugar water cool down. Simple syrup is what it's called. And I've got this canning jar here. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take mint leaves and I'm going to tear these mint leaves and put them into this jar. I'm tearing them because that'll help some of those oils come out. They smell good. I'm already having visions of the Kentucky Derby drinking my mint julep. I wish it were hot. The weather has been so crazy. I'm not in Kentucky, but even so, this weather here has been crazy. Okay, I'm going to be listing this recipe on my website at cookingwithdenise.com. So if you need to find it, I'll also leave a link in the description below. And just a little bit more. I want this to be full of mint flavor. Now, well, the Kentucky Derby began in 1875. However, these mint juleps were drank many years before that. But the winner of the Kentucky Derby gets a silver cup, and the name of the horse is engraved on the silver cup and is put into the Kentucky Derby Museum for every horse that has won a race. So anyway, that's where the tradition for the mint julep, and it is the official drink for Kentucky Derby. Now, I don't know what official bourbon whiskey is this year for the Kentucky Derby, but Wild Turkey is the one I recommend. It is so good. Anyway, here we go. Okay, that's cooled enough. I can handle this, and I'm just going to pour this over the mint leaves. And now then what I'm going to do is put that in the refrigerator for overnight. And those mint leaves are going to let off the mint flavoring. And then we'll get to the next step. See you then. Okay, let's make our mint julep. So I've got my mint julep cup and I've got crushed ice. I'm going to fill my mint julep cup with the crushed ice. That looks good. Set that aside. Okay, now then, our simple syrup has been overnight in the refrigerator. So what we want to do now is pour 2 tablespoons in over our crushed ice, and I will strain it so the mint leaves don't go in. 1 and 2. There we go. I'm going to put those back in there. And next, we want to put 2 jiggers of our bourbon in. 1, and yes, it's strong. 2. Okay, let's put our mint in and a straw. There you have it. What do you think? Oh, that's good. So, let's try our mint julep. Oh, that is tasty. Yes. So, enjoy your Kentucky Derby and enjoy your mint julep. You can find the recipe on my webpage. Thanks for watching. Bye now.